guys, something different again today. We're going to look at Spyders by Can-Am. They are a three-wheeled monster that has gained a lot of popularity throughout Australia. They're built in Canada. They're the Can-Am brand, and we have a show on here at the moment that guys have come from all over the country. Such dedication to the cause, but I suppose if you're into this kind of creature, you are dedicated to the cause. Let's go and have a look and see exactly what a Can-Am Spyder is for all of you guys who haven't seen them before. I'm not real familiar with them. I've ridden a lot of bikes and I've had a lot of bikes, but these things are something else. All right, let's go have a look. Okay, that was pretty awesome. Was not expecting that. They're going for a run and they're having a fat time. You saw the expression on these guys' faces. They just love what they do, and let's take it and get some wind in our face. Absolutely awesome. These guys are legend.
1 year it's like a world down home and a world of working properly. It's really and normally around compared to my phone and here with another one. Yeah.
So what about to the GPS?
I use the GPS.
Okay guys, so that was Can-Am Spyder's Master, I think they call it, here at Crow's Nest again. Boy, they have some events here. They're really set up for, they've got clubhouses, really big one, probably cater for, oh hell, I reckon you could get 200 people in there. And another one which you'd probably get about 50 or 40 people in there. And so it's a magnet for clubs and stuff that come out here. Crow's Nest Tourist Park at Crow's Nest, Queensland, and you get all the clubs like these guys. I didn't know much about Spyders at all, and boy oh boy, they've poured some coin and love into this gear, I tell you. It's brilliant. All different kinds of people too, and more older kind of people get into these, and that is really good because so long as you got the wind in the face, I've had bikes all my life, and if you've got wind in your face, it's a good day. All right, hope you liked it. Catch ya.